Humanities, Management and Social Sciences, Dr. The Dean of Natural Science, Dr. OLALEKAN, the Dean of Student Affairs, Dr. and our honorable guest of today, Professor YINUSA, and all other protocol will be observed. It is with immense gratitude to the Almighty God and my greatest pleasure to welcome you all to the 6th edition 2022-2023 academic session of the annual lecture of the Faculty of Humanities, Management and Social Sciences. With the topic, Entrepreneurial Universities, Innovations and Sustainable Development in Nigeria. I want to specially welcome our distinguished guest speaker, Professor OLALEKAN YINUSA, a professor of note in the Department of Economics of African University and former Commissioner for Budget and Economic Planning in OSUN State. I would also like to appreciate my indefatigable, vibrant, and ever-radiant Vice Chancellor, Professor Adeniyi. I want to thank her for our immense support that we enjoy all of the time. I welcome all the principal officers, the registrar, Ms. Temitayo Olola. I welcome the bursar in absentia, Mr. Ajani. I welcome the deans, especially the Dean of Faculty of Sciences that is here present, HODs, coordinators of department, heads of units, staff and students of our noble King's University. I want to say thank you for coming and God bless. The principal officers of the university, the registrar, the bursar, the deans of the two faculties, our distinguished guest speaker of today, Professor OLALEKAN YINUSA, colleagues, staff and students of King's University. It is my pleasure to welcome you all to this year's edition of Faculty of Humanities, Management and Social Sciences annual lecture, and of utmost delight that we have in our midst this morning as our guest lecturer, a professor of repute, a world-renowned professor of economics, and I'm also so proud to know that University has a great asset of having him as a professor in the Department of Economics. So I welcome you, YINUSA to our midst this morning. We appreciate you for honoring our invitation to present this lecture today. Professor YINUSA citation will be read to us very soon, and I just want you to know that he specializes in development economics with special focus on macroeconomics of international currencies, development finance, public financial management and reforms, development and procurement planning, social policy design and management strategic planning, monitoring and evaluation of development projects. So you can imagine one individual have all these accolades. Please, once again, a round of applause for our distinguished guest speaker of today. Each university as an academic institution has a tradition of holding annual faculty lectures where we bring together members of the university community and the public, eminent personalities, to discuss on topical issues of national interest, as we're going to be doing today. The topic of the lecture is of particular significance as it is no longer news that Nigeria is a developing country that is facing significant economic challenges, including high unemployment rate, poverty, and income inequality. To address these challenges, definitely there is a need for innovations and entrepreneurship to address these challenges and to stimulate economic growth, whereby employment opportunities will be created. Entrepreneurial universities can help to foster innovations by creating a supportive ecosystem that will encourage creation of new businesses and development of new products and services. One of the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations, or as highlighted by the United Nations, is reduction of poverty, that is, poverty eradication, which can be made possible through the acquisition of physical and intellectual skills. This will enable individuals to be self-reliant. And King's University takes a pride in imbuing in our students this quality. And so today we're going to be listening to our distinguished guest speaker on how entrepreneurship education can offer solutions and seek to prepare people, particularly our youth, to be responsible, enterprising individuals who will become entrepreneurs or entrepreneurial thinkers and immersing in them real life learning experience where they can take risks and manage the results and as well learn from the outcomes. Therefore, the role of entrepreneurial universities in national development is to stimulate research and development capable of igniting creativity and innovation for a more prosperous Nigeria, as well as policy recommendations that will promote the development of entrepreneurial universities and innovations for national development. This definitely cannot be overemphasized. Before I close, I would also like to appreciate the presence of one of the protégé of Professor YINUSA in our midst, in person of Dr. Adebayo Adekoko. He also served as a special advisor to Governor Adebayo, the immediate pastor of Governor of OSUN State. So you can see his friends are like father, like son, like the supervisor, like the students. So we are happy to have you in our Mr. Dr. Adekoko as well. So I therefore want to implore all of us to pay apt attention to the guest speaker. We have a lot to learn from him, and definitely sure that you're going to do justice to this discourse of today. So once again, Professor YINUSA, we appreciate you for accepting to deliver this lecture. And to all of us, I appreciate your coming. Thank you, and God bless.
Vice Chancellor, as I invite Dr. K.M. to approach the stage to read the citation of our guest lecturer for today. A round of applause, please.
Professor OLALEKAN specializes in development economics with special focus on macroeconomics of international currency, development finance, public financial management and reforms, development and procurement planning, social policy design and management, strategic planning, and monitoring and evaluation of development projects. He graduated with first-class honors in economics from YINUSA in 1992 and obtained his PhD in economics on October 1st, 2015. Professor YINUSA has won many academic distinctions and awards. Between July 2005 and May 2006, he was Fulbright Scholar at the Department of Economics, Graduate School of Arts and Science, Fordham University, New York, USA. South African Norway Social Education Development, Program Research Grant, 2009. University of Botswana Office of Research and Development Grant for a project on small business development, 2010. Grant for PhD thesis writing. Council for Development of Social and Economic Research in Africa, Codestra, Thesis Center, Botswana, Gaborone, Botswana, February 2008 to March 2010. Visiting lecturer, OSUN State University, Ogugu Campus, 2006 to 2008, and Foreign University, Igbo, 2002 to 2004. Between August 12, 2011 and November 26, 2014, Professor YINUSA was special advisor to the governor of Osun, Ogbeni Rauf Adesoji Aregbesola, on commerce, industry, cooperative and empowerment, reflecting visible landmark achievements. Due to his commitment service, he was reappointed by Ogbeni Rauf Aregbesola during his second term in office as the Honorable Commissioner for Economic Planning, Budget and Development from May 30, 2017 to November 26, 2018. Before the cabinet of Mr. Adeboyega Oyetola was constituted, he was also appointed one of the 6 steering committee members. Nigeria, Botswana, National Productivity Center, Botswana, African Development Bank, Abidjan, Cote d'Ivoire, African Capacity Building Foundation, Harare, Zimbabwe, European Union, African University Network, Germany, West African Community Institute, Ghana, National Bureau of Statistics, Nigeria, and Dangote Foundation, among others. Professor YINUSA has taught across all mainstream areas in national development. He has core skills in participatory rural appraisal methodology, quantitative skills, issue analysis strategy, plan development, and facilitation skills. He has extensive knowledge in the use of many computer application packages, including statistical and econometric software such as eView, Stata, SPSS, etc. Professor YINUSA has published extensively in leading local and international journals, including Journal of Policy Modeling, Journal of Developing Areas, British Journal of Management and Trade, Resource Policy, Indian Journal of Economics, Canadian Journal of Finance and Economics, Indian Economic Review, Quarterly Journal of Administration, African Finance Journal, African Management Review, African Journal of Development Studies, Botswana Journal of Economics, Nigerian Journal of Economic and Social Studies, etc. And he is a member of many national and international research networks. Join me to welcome our guest speaker, Professor OLALEKAN YINUSA.
Please sit down.
I greet you very respectfully, and I want to appreciate you for inviting me to be the guest lecturer for this year's round of the annual lecture of the Faculty of Humanities, Management and Social Sciences. When I came to the university, my first impression of the university is that it's a very plain university.